A deceiver is coming into the world with one blind eye and kafir written on his forehead. He will claim to be a lord, pretend to bring the dead back to life, make it rain from the sky, cause sudden harvests from the ground, and lure people with wealth. This is the Dajjal, history's greatest deceiver, whose trial will test the faith of all humanity. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, warned us about Dajjal in numerous Hadith. His features, shape, manner of speaking, everything is described in detail so people can recognize him and not be deceived. He will appear as the so-called representative of truth, but in reality, he is the greatest liar in history. Dajjal will have one blind eye, with the other eye swollen like a grape. On his forehead, the word kafir, K-F-R, will be written, readable by believers, literate or not. His appearance will be strange and unlike any ordinary human, and his body will be huge, strong, and terrifying. The term Dajjal comes from the root Dajjala, meaning to cover or to deceive. His very nature is to lead people astray through deception. He will claim prophethood, even divinity, presenting himself as the creator. But in truth, he is Allah's greatest enemy and a master deceiver. The Prophet, peace be upon him, said, "He will have paradise and hell with him, but his paradise is actually hell, and his hell is actually paradise." In other words, Dajjal will show people the fire of hell to frighten them and the allure of paradise to tempt them, but it will all be an illusion. He will demonstrate miraculous powers, such as producing crops from the soil instantly, bringing rain from the sky, pretending to resurrect the dead, luring people with wealth and riches. All of this is a test from Allah to examine the faith of believers. Hadith mentions that Dajjal will emerge from the Khurasan region. He will be accompanied by 70,000 Jews wearing distinctive turbans. Other narrations suggest he may appear from the east of Sham or south of Iraq. After that, he will travel to nearly every city in the world, spreading his deception. Dajjal's trial will be so severe that many people will follow him. Those with weak faith will be the first to be deceived. Jews, Christians, and hypocrites will follow him. The greedy and fame seekers will also be drawn to him. Only firm believers will be protected from his trial. The Prophet, peace be upon him, said, "The Dajjal will remain on earth for 40 days. The first day will be like a year, the second like a month, the third like a week, and the rest like ordinary days." Although the trial will last a short time, it will be extremely intense, testing the patience and faith of all people. His greatest deception will be claiming to be the Lord. Many people will be misled by the miraculous powers he displays. The Prophet, peace be upon him, said, "Know that your Lord is not one-eyed, but the Dajjal is one-eyed." This reminds us that Allah is all-powerful and unseen, whereas Dajjal is limited, flawed, and a deceiver. To summarize, Dajjal will be one-eyed with kafir written on his forehead. His trial will spread through illusions, miracles, temptations, and lies. Those with weak faith will be deceived, but firm believers will be protected. Be vigilant, strengthen your faith, and beware of the Dajjal's trials. In the next episode, we will explore how to protect yourself from Dajjal's deception and the steps believers should take to survive this trial.